Meron pa rin po bang backlog issues ang PAO? Because I know, ma'am, 2,500 lawyers as opposed to your 19 million, 13 million na clients. Siyempre, ma'am, if you divide it, it's simple math. Mahirap po talaga. Paano po ninyo, ma'am, na-address ang backlog issues, if any?
No postponement policy. Pag may wala, papalitan nung pwede. Pag yung isang judge naka-wellness on leave, papalit yung libre. Hindi ko pinapayagan ang postponement. And always ready even though you are not ready. Okay. Meaning, you have to prepare. You have to go to court, get your calendar the day before, and read the records.
Yes.
And you know, our PAO lawyers are like doctors in public hospitals. Makita lang ang files, alam na kung anong sakit, alam na kung anong depensa, kung may depensa ba, malakas ba ang ebidensya ng nagsasakdal, ano ba ang pwede i-advise, pwede bang plea bargaining kung payag yung accused, walang pilitan, pwede bang iparol, i-probation.
Yes,
So, kailangan smart. Kaya, dito ang lakas ng turnover. After 5 years, nako, magpipiskal, magja-judge. PAO is a training.
Correct.
Ground for judges, prosecutors, private lawyers, executives, and I'm very proud of them. And we have 2 justices at the Supreme Court who were former public attorneys, our Honorable A.J. Samuel Gaerlan and A.J. Associate Justice J.P. Inting.